My name is Elijah, and welcome to Snack Attack. We are selling vending machines. We have one right here, right now. We have Powerade. We have chips for 75 cents and $1. We have one for 50 cents. Young man, do you want to buy something? And it works. Just like that. You put $1 in, it give you change, it give you 75 cents. Alright. Welcome to Snack Attack. We selling vending machines. We have one right here. We selling Fritos for $1. Doritos for $1. And we got some for 85 cents and 75 cents.